Hi there, Storeino customers. We hope everything is going well. In today's video, we're going to see an important feature in our store, which is SEO, Search Engine Optimization, which will help us to optimize our store classification in the searching engines. So first, we go to Settings. We click SEO. First thing we do, we set our store name. Then the description, which describes our store. And it is better to use keywords that combine with our e-commerce field. After that, we drop our store favicon, which is the icon that will appear in the top of the window in our store here. We click in the image, then we select our favicon. Now we click Insert. After that, we go to Store OG image, which is the image that will appear with the link of our store. And the last step is to click on the store indexing box, so that all these configurations in SEO will be activated. Click here, then we click Confirm. And with this, we managed to set up the SEO of our store. We see you soon in another video tutorial.